Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, Advanced or not Advanced, just go to the Backup, then tap Add Account. Of course, you'll need internet connection to use this feature. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to just tap Turn On. And now your device is ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.